everyone, American Rail fan here, and now we got a Northbound coming here in a Sunday night, getting there. Here at milepost 437.7 at Bennett, Wisconsin. And then that train would take in Main 2 at North Hawthorne on Gun Club Road, and I'm on Line Road. Alright, let's get this Northbound. Alright, let's get Northbound. Goes a Northbound sand train, I believe it's sand loads. It might be the S773. Could be. I think all the sand trains are going to be S773. But it could be something else, but that thing probably came off the Baron sub too. Based on what kind of train it is. But anyway, here at milepost 437.7 on Line Road at Bennett, Wisconsin. Alright.